It's Teresa back with Craving Crochet on a Vintage Wednesday.
Let me show you something.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining in to my channel, Craving Crochet. Today's Vintage Wednesday we got a brand new month now. Today's December the 1st, 2021. Wow, can you believe that? We're almost at the end of the year. So this video is I'm coming in to show you some of my favorite ones, and maybe you can vote for them. I'm going to show you some pictures here at some point. And so just leave me a comment and let me know which ones you really want to see. Maybe we can do something that is more seasonal, because we're coming to the end of the year, and you might want to make some gifts for your friends and family, co-workers, people that you love. I have all kinds here. Maybe some scarves and hats, maybe some mitts, maybe some socks. I don't know. I've got all kinds. So leave me your vote with a comment, and I'll try to accommodate whichever one I see gets more popular. Then I will definitely do that. Yeah, so just leave me a vote, and whatever is, like I said, more popular, I will. That's probably the next project, vintage crochet along, that we can do together. You can get all the free patterns at my Facebook group, Craving Crochet. I'll leave the link below, like I always do. And I think that's it for now. I'll also leave you some of the projects that we have done here at some point in the video. And if you like free stuff, who doesn't? I have a whole bunch of free stuff on my Facebook group, Craving Crochet. I will leave the link below. And I have lots of free stuff, but in particular, with the vintage patterns, we did the Juliet dress. That was the first one. I have it there. It's free. Then we did the pocket shawl, the shawl with pocket and sleeve and cuff. I always forget that one. So that's another one that we did. That's free on Facebook. Then we did the Pebble baby set for baby girl. That's free. That's on my Facebook group as well for free download. And then we did the breakfast jacket. That was another one, and that's a gorgeous one. I love that one. And we are currently working on the floppy brim hat. It's a 1970s. And also, just if you're curious about what I'm wearing this beautiful shawl that I made. I made this last summer, not this past summer, but the summer before, 2020. There was a Shawl You Fudge It competition, or yeah, a competition with crochet channels, and I made this. And I love it. It's beautiful, and I actually have a tutorial on it. I can leave it at the end of the video and also put it in the description box if you're interested in it. It's really nice, really, really nice. I love it. I love it. It really, you know, like if you're wearing something that's very plain, you can just throw this on your shoulders, and it kind of dresses it up and gives you a little warmth. So I hope you try it out. Check it out. Okay. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll be back. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.